Direct manipulation of features by using the mini toolbar. So here I got a couple objects, and I'm going to go over to my 3D model, and I'm going to say extrude, and I'm going to pick on this one right here. Notice this over here. I hit this down arrow, I have the dialog box. When I hit it up, I hide the dialog box. But over here I have what's called direct manipulation. It's actually it's called a mini toolbar, but we can directly manipulate it from this mini toolbar. Here I have the distance, so I can say, oh, that's 0.50, and I got the distance, and I'm selecting the profile. That's the only thing I have here. It's a solid, I don't want a surface, and I could say I want a new solid, and I can set my distances. I can flip it the other way. I can say it's symmetrical, etc. And then when I'm ready to finish it, I just hit the OK, and I created a solid here. Alright, and boom, there's my solid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo that, and now I'm going to come over here and do a revolve. And over here, I'm going to pick the profile. I'll say this. I'm going to pick an axis. I'm going to pick on this edge, and zoom. It spins it around. And I can say, oh, I don't want to go full. I want to go to an angle. I want 270. I can come down here and say, yeah, I want to make this a solid. And I'm going to say, yes, it's a new solid. And I can switch the direction around if I want. Alright, so I can switch that around, and I can say OK. So I get a little different options in the revolve versus the extrude, but I can use the direct manipulation of that mini toolbar. So that little mini toolbar has varying options depending on what kind of geometry I get, but lots of people seem to like that. It's come from the fusion technology, the Autodesk fusion technology, and it seems to be the way things are going, and there's even been some hints they'll get rid of the dialog boxes. So you might want to give it a try and test it out, the use of that mini toolbar.